Hello students, how are you? I hope that all you are safe and fit at your home. Students, in the previous class, you have to learn that chapter 2, microorganisms, friends and food. Now students, today we are going to our next chapter, chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. First, some questions arises according to this chapter. What is the meaning of reproductions? How organisms reproduce? Why reproduction is essential for our life? Clear? So, solution is this. Reproduction. Reproduction is a procedure or method by which animal reproduce their young ones. That means reproduction is a procedure in which organisms produce their offsprings. Clear? Reproduction ensure the continuation of similar kinds of indivisible. For continuation of life of animals, both are aims of reproduction. So reproduction means the method by which animals reproduce their young ones or produce their young ones. It is a procedure which forms a continuation generation after generation they produce their young ones. Clear it? And what are the methods of reproduction? How organisms reproduce? So question arises. Answer is this. Methods of reproduction. There are two methods of reproductions in which one is asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. So according to reproductions are of two types in which one is asexual and second is sexual reproduction. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction and what is the meaning of sexual reproduction and what is the differentiate between asexual and sexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction say that the type of reproduction in which only single parent is involved. Its main point. Only single parent is involved. This is the type of asexual. This is the method of reproduction known as asexual reproduction. Clear? Sexual reproduction. Reproduction resulting from the fusion of male and female gametes. This is known as sexual reproduction. So this is the main difference between asexual and sexual. Asexual, only one parent is involved, whereas sexual in which both parents is involved and fusion take place between both gametes, male as well as female gamete. But in asexual reproduction there is no fusion take place between male and female gamete because only one parent is involved. That is the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Next, types of asexual reproduction. There are different types of asexual reproductions in which one is budding, second is binary fission and third is fragmentation. What is the meaning of budding? And what is the meaning of binary fission? What is the meaning of fragmentation? According to their name, budding, arising of bud. Binary fission. Binary means two, fissions means splitting. Fragmentation, divide into small fragment. Clear? So now, what is the complete meaning of budding? Budding is the procedure of method of asexual reproductions in which organism or in this new indivisible develop from buds. Clear? So budding means arising external outgrowth. This is known as bud or bulges from the parent's body. When completion their growth, it detach from parent's body and act as individual or grow into as a single indivisible. Clear it? So this is the procedure of asexual reproduction known as budding. Binary fission. Binary means two and fission means splitting. If parent body is splitting into two organisms, two daughter organisms, this is known as binary fission. Example, amoeba. In this amoeba is a single cell organism. In this first nucleus division, and nucleus division is followed by the division of cytoplasm. Firstly, nucleus divided into two daughter nuclei and then completion of division of nucleus. It is followed by the division of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm divided into two daughter cytoplasm and each cytoplasm parts surrounded the body of nucleus. Clear? Then we can say that one parent body is split into two daughter organism. So one example, amoeba. Amoeba is split into two daughter amoeba organism. This is known as binary fission. Fragmentation example is Pyrogyra. In this organous body is split into or divided into small fragments, and each fragments convert into new organism. This is known as fragmentation. So asexual reproduction is a method in which one is budding, second is binary fission, and third is fragmentation. Student, listen carefully and read carefully. Thank you.